Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life. I hope you're having a great day so far. We are back shopping at Dollar Tree. I have not been in this store for quite some time, but we're going to pop in to see what holiday items they have. Normally, I'm here like about the first week of November, but it's just been a busy month, so let's check it out. I found a package of bows. There's 30 of them in here, and again, everything here is $1.25. Now, one of the things I do like the holidays at the Dollar Tree is the wrapping paper. It's not the hugest roll, but that's okay because I like kind of changing it up. Sometimes when I have like a huge roll, it seems to last for years. There are so many different ones here, different characters, and even like non-characters, especially I know sometimes the characters are more for the kids, but so many fun little ones. Some of them I have no idea what they are. I'm assuming Disney, as that's what this says on the top. And so, but lots to choose from. Again, $1.25, not a bad price at all. And the garland, there's a lot of garland. Now, this one is really pretty. I love the holly berry. And it's just so pretty. And it's, very light. And then they have their bows. And then this garland, now this is kind of cute. It has little presents attached to it, a couple little ornaments. And the store has a lot of people. Of course, this is the busy time of year here, the holidays. If you're wanting to do some DIY ornaments, they have a lot of them here. Ooh, the velvet bow, this beautiful burgundy color. That is so pretty. I love like the velvet texture. This one has a little bit more of a glitter. Sometimes the glitter doesn't always pick up on the camera. And you can tell these have been picked over. I got a couple last year. And we have some ornaments in here. This is the top shelf. Kind of on my tippy toes. And here are some more bows. Now these are really nice, especially perhaps you bought a wreath and you would add, additional bow to a wreath. Smaller ones, but I really like the size of these. And with the glitter, so pretty. There's a lot of these left over. And then these are always pretty for like the door handles. I have a couple of them. I like them, especially on my doors, because I know if somebody's going in and out of the house. And then right down here, some more bells. And then we have like our kitchen towels, oven mitts. And we have about three different designs to choose from. Our pot holders as well. Or four, no, three. I'm thinking I saw a fourth one, but no. And then ornaments, they have a lot. There's always really great YouTube channels with a lot of DIY for the Dollar Tree. And the bells. Oh, I remember I used these a lot, especially when my daughter was in elementary school. And we would do like a lot of little fun holiday projects. And these bells came in handy for the kids. Some more ornaments. I could tell that the store has been picked over. And again, I should have been here like a couple of weeks ago at least, but it's just, this month went by so fast. These are so cute. These are always cute, I think, for family members. You can put the kids' school picture in there if you want to, or take a special picture of them. And now I've had these in the past, these glitter snowflakes, and they're the glitter ornaments. And they have, looks like this is a deer. Yeah, that's deer. And so these are always fun. And especially for, again, $1.25. And then the dove. 5 pieces in there. More of the bells. And more ornaments. And of course, the ornament hooks. These are always good to have on hand. I'm always losing them. And then fun little Christmas decor. Now, I like these sometimes for outside because if they get wet, they're okay. As long as they're not in the sun, at least for us. Now, the candy. There's a lot of fun little candy treats here at the Dollar Tree. And the candy canes, so those are natural peppermint flavor. And so if you're wanting to decorate your tree, hot cocoa candy canes, Twinkies. Okay, there is a huge variety of candy canes. Like, I had no idea. Cold Stone, Fruity Pebbles, Creamsicle, Sour Jet Puff. Oh my goodness, there are so many different ones. Okay, that is fun. I love all the options. The novelty glasses, those are always fun. And of course, they always have some fun hats and even the ties. So to show a little bit extra of the Christmas spirit, and the headbands. There are some fun ones here. And yeah, you could tell people have already made some purchases. And even the elf one. Now, these little boxes are actually really perfect for jewelry or gift cards. The bracelet bells, okay, that's actually really nice. That would be fun. And then we have the fabric. These are fun little gift bags. We have the snowflakes. We have some Christmas trees. So a set of 2. And then the necklaces with the bells. And so these are always, they got gold and silver, the red and green, and the pencils. And then these necklaces, yeah, with the lights, those are always fun. And oh, I really like this platter. The candy canes, hot cocoa, and marshmallows. And these are $1.25. These actually really make fun little gifts, or if you're hosting a little get-together. And all the treat bags here. So if you have it, yeah, if you have it went down to your Dollar Tree, your local Dollar Tree. I know like in our area, we have a few of them that we can always check out. Double check and, you know, look for especially little fun little treats, especially for like stocking stuffers, or if you're decorating like gingerbread houses, those are perfect. The little peppermints and the little milk chocolates. How cute. That is perfect stocking stuffer. The hot cocoa. And the candy cane spoons. If you're putting together like a hot cocoa bar, that actually is really a great idea. And the lollipops, $1.25. Again, everything is $1.25 here. So lots of different candies to choose from, even the Peeps. I wasn't thinking to find these here. The marshmallow, those are cute. And even the mini candy canes. And of course the crafts to keep the kids busy, especially when winter break comes along. But these are always fun. And these are also really great, like little gifts or to add on top of a gift. And you could, you know, paint your own ornaments. And the little puffy balls, those always come in handy. All different sizes. And the mini trees, it's a set of 8. And these, the pipe cleaners, or now I use a lot of those, especially when I'm decorating items. And more bells. So much to choose from. There's so much in this store. So yeah, even though, you know, December 1st is going to be at the end of this week, there's still a lot here. Now these socks, these are perfect stocking stuffers. $1.25. I got my daughter a couple last year because those are always fun, very cozy. And cards, you know, if you don't want to buy a big package, maybe just a couple of cards, Dollar Tree really has some really nice cards to choose from. 2 for $1. So we saw some Thanksgiving, holiday, New Year, and even Hanukkah as well. More stockings here, and so lots of different little fun little stockings. And lots of characters. Now these are kind of fun. These have a sensor. And so this one plays Jingle Bells. So somebody walks by them. So you have a choice between Santa and the Snowman. And you can listen to it. They have a little try me button right down over here. And of course your paper products, some napkins and plates. And it's amazing how much has already sold. And tablecloths. Yeah, this makes cleanup so much easier. And some more garland. Lots of fun little garland to choose from. They have really a good variety. So they had it in 2 different sections. So always best to kind of walk around the store. Sometimes they'll have items in more than one area, like even the headbands, all the little antlers, and the socks. So I'm actually in here to grab a couple of socks because my daughter, you know, they have themes at the school. So they always have like fun sock day. Now I'm actually going to get these for me. Hot cocoa and the gingerbread. Yes. That is super cute. And I think I'm going to grab another pair for my daughter. More stockings, lots of them. I remember these, like we used to personalize them for kids. And those used to sell out like the first week of November. So they still have more of those. And then even the glassware, the barware. And this is real glass, $1.25 each. You got a couple different items to choose from. Oh, the hollyberry. Now that one is really pretty, and those are real glass. And if you're needing like foil, sandwich bags, you know, plastic wrap, and even these the disposable foil trays, they have a lot to choose from. So get $1.25 each, and a lot of them, like this one, is a set of 2. Especially if you're going to like a holiday gathering or a get together and you don't want to lose your dish. Yeah. And then the storage containers, these are always fun, especially if you're giving out cookies or nuts or any kind of treats. And you could always like wrap those up with a bow. So those are always fun. And so it's a set of 2 for $1, or some of them a set of 3 for $1.25. Your hot cocoa bar, you could definitely do that here. So they have the Swiss Miss with marshmallows, but if you want extra marshmallows, they have those. And tissue paper. I always like this one because that one I can use for any occasion. And so double check like the birthday area. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Dollar Tree with me today. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.